charges, a maximum fine of 10 million shillings or both.
Has worked extensively on issues of competition, industrial development. He has established the Center for Competition Regulation.
We're a very esteemed panel here today.
Just say once again, welcome.
Confidentiality claim form should be attached once.
In many instances, big market players delay their payments, impose unfair contractual terms that transfer risks downwards, or foreclose the distribution chain by creating barriers to entry and expansion. Further, price fixing contraventions render certain services inaccessible to and unaffordable for SMEs. So the Competition Authority of Kenya exists precisely to dismantle some of these arrangements through review of proposed regulations and laws, as well as through the market studies and inquiries. CAK's advice to government of Kenya is important, especially to ensure lowering of barriers to and ensure that our small businesses have a fighting chance to thrive.
The authority has intentionally prioritized this by enforcing abuse of buyer power, provisioning the law and facilitating recovery of about 3.5 billion Kenya shillings in delayed payments that has been owed to the SMEs. The second priority has been on reviewing our merger thresholds. You will notice that any transaction with an asset value of 500 million and below does not require the authority's approval. This certainly gives the SMEs a head start by lowering compliance and transactional costs.